Now to corporate, Kenyan Financials Equity Bank Group has gone against the industry trend and announced a 14% rise in net profit for 2017. This increase has been attributed to growth in non-funded income, which offset a drop in interest income. The group's net profit stood at 18.9 billion shillings, up from 2016 16.6 billion. The interest rate cap saw the income from interest on loans and advances dropping by 9.2 billion shillings from 43.1 billion in 2016 to 33.9 billion shillings in 2017. However, interest income from government securities rose by 5 billion shillings from 7.9 billion shillings to 13.4 billion. Total interest income dropped from 51.8 billion shillings to 48.4 billion, while non-interest income rose from 22.2 billion shillings in 2016 to 27.6 billion in 2017. The firm CEO James Mwangi has welcomed the planned review of the interest rate cap law.
As the previous year, despite the very challenging year, the shareholders will still have another year that they can look forward to very good returns.